It's basically the way PFM tools, institutions, systems, and processes are used to have discussions on who are final beneficiaries of public services, disaggregated by gender, and are services that we're providing equally distributed among different genders. The PIFA Secretariat has recently been designing new framework for assessing gender-responsive budgeting, and we've been piloting and using it in countries around the world. We are therefore very excited to have the opportunity to work with the CEF to present this global framework for assessing gender-responsive budgeting, but as well to learn from practitioners here in the region of how they have been mainstreaming gender in the national budget processes. We certainly have countries who are champions here in the region, such as Albania and North Macedonia. So we're very excited to have this opportunity and discuss this important aspect of national budget planning here at the CEF.